Hello everyone, today we are going to learn a perfect way to make a quick and easy sweet dish, pineapple sheera in a microwave. It is a variation of a traditional popular Indian dessert made with semolina and is flavored with fresh pineapple pieces and essence. It is also called pineapple halwa in North India and pineapple kesari in South India. Stay tuned until the end to know a perfect way to make Rava sheera and also fruit variations in this recipe. So let's get started. For the pineapple pieces, first take a slice of fresh pineapple. If you have a pineapple corer, then use it to remove its hard core. If you do not have one, use a long thin knife to gently cut and remove it. Reserve the core and then cut it into pieces of desirable size. Repeat the same with other slices. Then transfer 1 cup of these pineapple pieces to a bowl. Keep it aside. The core of pineapple may seem hard, less juicy and slightly bitter, but it is a rich source of fiber and antioxidant. It can be boiled and pureed to use as toppings for soups, mocktails or even pastries. For the pineapple sheera, let's begin by adding half a cup of oil and half a cup of ghee or clarified butter to a microwave bowl. Microwave on high, uncovered for 1.5 minutes or until the ghee melts. Allow a standing time of 20 seconds. Remove half the quantity of oil-ghee mixture and keep it aside. Next, add 4 tablespoons of cashew nuts. Mix well and microwave on high, uncovered for 4 minutes or until they are slightly reddish. Let it stand for a minute. Then add 2 tablespoons of golden raisins and mix well. Microwave on high, uncovered for 1.5 minutes or until they puff up. Allow a standing time of 20 seconds. Remove roasted cashews and raisins into a bowl and keep it aside. Traditionally, the dish uses cashews and raisins, but you can vary the dry fruits as per your choice. Next, add 1 cup of unroasted semolina, also called Bombay Rava, and mix well. Microwave on high, uncovered for 3 minutes. Stir once in between. Microwave further until semolina turns crunchy and aromatic without changing color. Allow it to rest for 45 seconds. A well-roasted semolina makes the sheera fluffy and gives it a perfect smooth texture. Then add 1 cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, 2 pinches of saffron strands and 1 cup of pineapple pieces. Mix well. And microwave on high, uncovered for 2 minutes or until the pineapple turns slightly soft. Let it rest for 30 seconds. Adding saffron enriches the sweet dish, but if you do not have it at home, increase the quantity of yellow food color to 3 pinches and cardamom powder to 1 teaspoon in this recipe. Adding a pinch of salt to any sweet dish elevates the sweet flavor. As pineapple pieces are sweet, I have used 1 cup of sugar here, but you can increase the quantity of sugar as per your taste. For best taste, always use fresh pineapple pieces and not canned ones. It should be ripe and sweet so that it gives the sheera a perfect color and flavor. Next, in a glass jar, take 2 cups of water. Insert a wooden spoon or ladle. Microwave on high, uncovered for 6 minutes or until the water is steaming hot. If you want a moist sheera, use 2.5 cups of water in place of 2 cups. Allow a standing time of 1.5 minutes. Now add 2 pinches of food color, stir once and keep it aside. Then add steaming hot water to roasted semolina mixture little by little, stirring all the time so that no lumps are formed. Adding water while making sheera keeps the sweet dish light, but if you wish to make the taste rich, add equal quantities of water and milk in place of plain water in this recipe. Next, add 3/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix well. Then add the reserved oil ghee mixture. Mix well once again. Microwave on high, uncovered for 3.5 minutes or until the water is fully absorbed by semolina and oil floats on top. Allow a standing time of 45 seconds. Then add pineapple essence and mix well. Lastly, add roasted cashews and raisins. Mix well once again. Your smooth, delicious and fluffy pineapple sheera is ready. To make a perfect Rava sheera, follow the above recipe without adding pineapple pieces. Also use 2 1/4 cup of water and 1 1/4 cup of sugar. Fruit variations to pineapple are banana, mango, apple or a combination of these fruits. Serve pineapple sheera topped with cashew nuts and raisins as a refreshing dessert or along with puffy puris. It is a perfect sweet dish for every occasion, be it festival, celebration or a special meal. Tip of the day. Always add a wooden stick or ladle when microwaving water for a time longer than 2 minutes. This will prevent superheating of water and allow easy diffusion of heat. Microwave cooking time varies depending on the power of a microwave. The time shown here is applicable for a 1000-watt microwave. If the power of your microwave is lower, in each step just increase the cooking time at intervals of 20 seconds until it is done. Do let us know in the comment section what other celebration recipes you would like us to post in our channel. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more easy to cook microwave recipes. Wishing you all a happy celebration from our team. Until next time, microwave it like Madhu.